So guys, the first thing I want to do is just get a bit of water on the boil for some oatmeal or porridge or whatever you want to call it. I'm using the stainless steel mucket from the canteenshop.com, if you can see that there. So we just put that on there like that and gently rest that. Just let it stop swinging so it doesn't fall off, and there we go, that's your pot hanger already in use. So you can see that there, pretty spot on guys. So guys, for breakfast today I have some bush munchies, so that's going to go into my pot, and I also have my little brew kit that I made up of like herbal teas, hot chocolate, stuff like that. I got some herbal teas from work. Yeah, I did buy them, I didn't just nick them, even though my uncle is the owner of the company, so it wouldn't really matter. But I put £2 in the drawer for them anyway, so it's fine. Just an easy place to get them. And I've also got some of this morning breakfast coffee from the canteen shop. So seal the brew kit up again. That can go in my little folding mug. Like so, ready for my coffee. And then I've got my bush munchies as well. So we'll take the pot off the fire now. Surprisingly, the handle is actually cold, but if I show you the water, you'll realise that it's quite nicely warm in there, enough for me. Breakfast anyway. So just pour the water over the coffee. Like so, and then I want to take my bush munchies, open the pack, and I want to fill it up so it's at the right consistency for me. Probably about half a pack. A little bit more. I'll leave the rest for another day and come home with me. So I'm just going to put the bush munchies back on the fire for a little bit while I have my brew, and then I'll show you the next part of my breakfast. Pretty good coffee guys. It's this coffee is a morning coffee. It's a weaker blend than, you know, like a Nescafe or something like that. But I'm not a massive strong coffee lover, to be honest. Anyway guys, just while I'm sat here waiting for me oatmeal to just brew up a bit more, I just thought I'd give a quick shout out to Tom from Bushcraft and Carving, another one of the younger guys I speak to on Facebook, and another one of the younger YouTubers out there practicing bushcraft and survival skills. There's quite a few of us now. We're tending to all talk, you know, me, Jacob, Jordan, Bushcraft Boy 14, and so on. We're all talking. So that's pretty good because we're sharing knowledge and so on, and discussing things. Like we have a lot of kit discussions and stuff like that. As I get blinded by the by the smoke. So yeah, just a quick shout out to him. So guys, while my breakfast is on the go, you saw me using the hatchet earlier. So I thought I'd just retouch the edge on this because it hasn't been done for a while. So to do that, I'm going to use my Leatherman Charge ALX. So the one I need to find is the file. It has like a diamond side on it, which is obviously a really good tool to have in the bush. And now I'm just going to go along the blade, just going towards the blade in quite gentle strokes, a good angle. You can hear it when it's actually sharpening because it creates a certain sound. You'll learn what that is as you sharpen your blades and so on. And just lightly touch this up. Yep, it's a lot better. So easy way just to sharpen your knives with your Leatherman. So that's it guys. So guys, my bush munchies are now done. They'll be very warm and will stay warm for quite a while in that pot. So I'll leave them there. I'm going to keep my pot hanger here now anyway, as I've made it. But earlier you also saw me doing something else, which was I created another Y branch to go into the ground here, lower than the pot hanger one. And you also saw me shaving with the back of my knife this hazel branch, which will also start to go into the ground like so. Now there's a reason for this. No bushcraft breakfast would be complete without some good old bacon. So just get that bacon up. So now what I want to do is take just a rasher of bacon out the pack and put it onto the end of the skewer, and then I also want to fold it back over itself another time so that it will start to cook when placed on the skewer. So I want 3 rashers of bacon on here. I'll take the other pack home for another day. Again, doubled up over the fire. Again, that one was doubled up over the fire. Pretty simple, primitive cooking method there, guys, for bacon. So guys, these areas in the woods are normally filled with ramsons. At this time of year, obviously the ramsons aren't here. However, nature's plans are already well in advance, and the root of the ramson can be dug up any time of year, much like a garlic root. That's the family it actually is in, so you can dig that up any time of the year and use it in dishes. So, just gonna see if I can find a neat down here, guys. So I've got a digging stick. And all we need to do is just dig down. There we go, coming on to some now. So if I get my hand in there now and just wiggle about a bit. Okie dokie. Now obviously this is a bit messy, but it's the kind of thing you have to do for food, guys. And that is what we're looking for here. Now if you break one open, just smell it, it smells really garlicky, and then obviously you know it's right. So we'll put these in our dinner, guys. See you in a bit.